Hi beautiful angels, this is Miss Dixie from Magic Wins Tarot and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What will happen in the next 48 hours for you? Yes friends, many of you requested this reading in English. Here it is now friends. Friends, this is, please do subscribe our channel Magic Wins Tarot. Please subscribe, like and share this video friends. If you have already subscribed, many angel blessings. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it is going to help you out in some way. Also friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com friends. And let's take a deep breath, relax. Take a deep breath and choose option 1, this beautiful pink flower, magenta flower actually. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow flower. Option number 3, this beautiful pink flower. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Like always, I'll leave the timestamps friends in the comment section below so you can directly skip to the timestamps there. And don't forget to subscribe and like our channel friends. We work very hard through the quarantine every day. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking and sharing. Help us reach 1 lakh so that we can start a separate channel for both languages friends. Please, thank you so much. And let's see, for those who chose option 1, I'm super excited to see what's coming your way. Are you excited? Let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful magenta flower, what will happen in the next 48 hours for you. We will take clarifiers if needed, and if necessary we will take clarifiers. Let us see what your cards are. This is your advice for the next 48 hours. We're gonna look at it in the end. Let's see your cards. The King of Cups, interesting. The Queen of Pentacles, interesting. Very interesting. I hope you can see the cards. And the Lovers, that's beautiful. The Seven of Cups, the Page of Swords, and Appreciation. Oh my god. I feel in the next 48 hours, you are going to have some sort of a choice or some sort of an options in love, or maybe, you know, it is like, I feel like some of you are waiting for some news or message from a lover, or some decision regarding a love relationship. It is like you are confused regarding some lover, some relationship in your life. I feel like that. You could be dealing with a third party situation and you really want to get out or get clarity on this situation. Or you could be, you know, definitely I feel like you are, some of you, 50% of you are waiting for news or message from a lover or about some work or job in the next 48 hours. For others of you, I feel you could be dealing with you know, twin flame, and there is a third party, or you are dealing it with a relationship where there is a third party and a lot of confusion is going on. I feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Or you could be these sun signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel friends like they're, if you're really, really single, I definitely feel someone is going to offer you some friendship, some sort of a love, or maybe, on social media, someone wants to talk to you, or from your work, someone wants to talk to you and initiate a conversation. But I don't think so. You feel a little conflicted about them, or you feel little confused about this person, why they are in your life, why they want to talk to you. Definitely. I also feel some of you could be dealing with your parents in the next 48 hours, or someone from your authority, like, father, mother, or maybe like your landlords or something like that. You could be dealing with those people, things like your boss, or you could be. If you yourself are the boss, you could be dealing with a younger colleague or something, some sort of a confusion regarding them. I see in the next 48 hours you will have some choice. You will have some news coming in, and some sort of a confusion is going to be cleared up. I see you waiting in the next 48 hours, waiting for a message or for a news regarding a job or an exam, or maybe a test result. You are waiting for some test results. I feel someone wants to offer you their love, their affection, but you are not sure of this person, or this person isn't sure about making this move towards you. Because this person, I also feel you will be putting more value on yourself in the next 48 hours. So if someone hasn't yet, if you are really single, whatever, if you are single, married, whatever is your situation, I feel like you will be valuing yourself and putting yourself forward. And first, number 15, number 16, 18, 19, and 20 are important. I feel the month of February and March are also important for some of you. I feel some of you are also waiting for, you are really confused about your work, like whether to change it or whether to, will money come in or not. There is a lot going on in your mind. I definitely feel some relief will come there. You will find the clarity that you need regarding your career or money. I also feel you are, some of you are confused, like whether this person, someone you have in your life, whether they are trustworthy, or this connection is trustworthy. Is it just lust? Is it just sexual attraction? Is it love? I think you do not trust a person in your life. You want proper commitment or clarity from them, and in the next 48 hours you may feel a little confused about them. But someone definitely wants to appreciate you, appreciate the hard work you are doing. I feel like if your family, if you are married and your husband or wife is not appreciating your hard work, I think next 48 hours can surprise you, because they might say, hey, that's a good job done. So it may surprise you, it may surprise you, it may excite you. So yeah. I also feel if you are a student, or if you are young, whatever your age is, your parents might also, tell you something like, "Hey, well done," that's very nicely done. They might also appreciate you, or you might appreciate someone, So it's a good thing. It's a good energy actually. I also see some of you could be dealing with your twin flame. Definitely. Let me just take a clarifier, because I think there is some sort of a message coming in. I think your mind will be on lot of things in the next 48 hours, on love, on money, on career, on family, on learning something new. So you'll be a little busy, I think, in the next 48 hours, at least mentally. And I think there is someone who really respects you, and it could be a colleague, it could be a friend, it could be a ex-lover, husband or wife. They want to appreciate you, they want to tell you how much they like you. I think some of you could also be dealing with a third party in the next 48 hours, or maybe, there is you and them and the other person, like work can become a third party for some of you in the next 48 hours, like your partner or you are very busy at work. What will happen in the next 48 hours for file number 1? What news? What message? See, coming to the edge, number 36, definitely I feel like there is something that's testing your patience, and I think it may test your patience. There is some confusion going on in your life and you are not happy about it. Trust me. It could be a love relationship, it could be a marriage, it could be, a work situation or money situation. You're worried about it, like, what's happening, why, when will I get the clarity, when will things move ahead. I think there is a chance of a message coming in which will clarify things for you and bring you relief. But there will be some sort of a testing of your patience, like, someone or something will test your patience. I also feel you need to reveal yourself, your emotions, or someone may reveal their emotions to you in the next 48 hours, because you need to appear just as you are, or like you need someone may show you their true colors or something like that. It's like you doubt this person. That's what I keep getting. You're not sure of this person's intentions. This person loves you. They want to assure you that they appreciate you, but I think they need to really, remove all the mask and come towards you. I think this person has a lot of choice, or you feel they are a playboy or a playgirl, they have too many choices, and something like there is an age gap between both of you, or some of you. Others could be same age also. I feel you are a little confused about this person's intentions. Next 48 hours, and I think this person is also confused in making a move towards you. They want to offer you this cup of love. They want to be this stable person for you. They want to be this nurturer, this protector for you for life. And here they are feeling so confused what to do, how to go about it, what to say. They want to appreciate you. They really are on the edge of it. Like, they are sitting on the edge of their chair and they want to grab you and kiss you. Oh my goodness. For others, I also feel a new work opportunity or something related work is confusing you. Money also. You're like, how to get this money? How can I boost more income? I think social media or online work can help you now. In the next 48 hours, some of you are waiting for news. It is going to come your way. Let's see your advice card for what is your advice. Break free, try different ventures and experiences as a way to grow and learn. So absolutely, that's what I was telling you. Definitely, if you are single, meet new people. If you are not sure of one person, try some other person, make some new friends. I also feel you could be I told you, like you could be thinking too much in the next 48 hours. So just break free and take a movement, appreciate your hard work, and just be kind to yourself. In work, I feel you need to try different things, rather than being stuck on one situation or why the money is not coming in. Instead of being pessimistic, try to keep a positive approach to life in the next 48 hours. I think it's important to you because you also have the contemplation card. So spend time alone meditating upon what you truly desire. So definitely, friends, it is in the next 48 hours you will find relief from your mental anxiety, worry. If you are feeling depressed, take time to meditate, take time to pray. I think in our culture we are really losing the habit of praying. So I think it's a good time. It's not about a religion, what you pray, how you pray. Just light a candle and sit with it and just let things be, for a while. I think some of you are dealing with anxiety, negativity, or you are just worried. I feel that you are worried or confused. I think relax. You can break free of it. Relax. You know, take it easy. You are doing your best. Take it easy. Things are moving forward, and some sort of a clarity is definitely going to come. And you could be feeling a lot of your twin flame or your lover's energy. If they are feeling confused, you may also feel confused. So appreciate yourself, friends, and focus on spiritual love, spirituality. Take time to respect yourself, nurture yourself, because I think your self-love is making others and more attractive towards you. Let me just take a final card for you. What will happen in the next 48 hours? I see a good relief coming for you. It's like an aha, finally. Oops. That's a lot of card, like half of the deck. Let angels one card, one final message for what is 48 hours. To be fair, yeah, see, justice is going to happen for you, friends, and things are going to balance out for you. If you feel unlucky, left out, confused, depressed, don't be, friends. Things are moving forward for you. It may seem slow for now, like things are still, but it is not. I think some of you should take some time in the next 48 hours to focus on your body, your mental health, emotional health, all those things. And yeah, I think someone is also confused about you. They put you in a third party, they need to say an apology, or they are not choosing you. I think that person, you may hear from them in the next 48 hours. Like they are already thinking of making that move or call for you or towards you. But I think this is a very intense connection for both of you. And this person has trouble deciding what to do. So there is a chance of a balance. I see this person calling you but not dialing the green, not dialing and pushing that button of calling, making a call. So I think they will, maybe not in 48 hours, but in the coming few hours or days, they will call you, or things will get into balance. Number 38 might be important to some of you, or 31 or 21 might be important. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. And please do let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful yellow flower, it is such a pretty flower, and I like that it is kind of spiky also and sparkly. So let's see what will happen in the next 48 hours for you. This is your advice card, and let's see. Ooh, the 6 of Swords, very interesting. And the Strength, wow, very nice. Again, 8 card, 8 and 6. The Tower, ooh. The 7 of Pentacles, ooh. The 8 of Cups, oh my god. What are you up to, folks? What are you up to? Man holding a coin. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person in the next 48 hours, friends. Ooh. What are you up to, folks? What are you up to? Wow. So friends, let me just, I feel like you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you are an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel like there has been an ending of a relationship or a friendship in your life. Very suddenly things just went out, or things just broke, and you also don't know why it happened, for what. Let me just clarify, if this Tower movement or sudden ending has not happened in your life till now, sorry to say, friends, it may happen in the next 48 hours. How it will happen? I see like it could be an argument. You may get angry, or this person may get angry, or you or a friend, or a friend or a co-worker or a family member, and you may have an argument or a smaller conflict or something. I see some of you could may decide to, you may get frustrated with a partner, or your partner may get frustrated. You may decide to move away from them. For majority of you, I feel this has already happened. This tower movement has happened a few days back, or a few months early back, or maybe a year back. You had this beautiful connection, but suddenly things collapsed like a pack of cards. It just went down, and like a castle, castle of sand, it went down. I think this person and you still regret or miss what is lost. You are still grieving, you are still missing this person, you still don't know why this thing happened. I feel this person also does not know why this thing happened, why things broke out. I think it was a sudden movement of anger or emotion, but then everything turned upside down. I feel some of you could be trying to heal or move away from heartache or breakup in the next 48 hours. Definitely, for some of you, you had a breakup or a misunderstanding. You are still unhappy, you are still sad, you are angry. Maybe it is the world situation you are upset or angry with. You feel very frustrated. You just want to move away from these things. You also have 288, so it is highly karmic number. It is highly a very potential time for you. The next 48 hours, I would suggest you to stay calm and think very positively as this beautiful yellow flower, because I think if this tower has not happened, even if it has happened, you may still feel a little angry. Emotions are high, friends. Stay calm, stay calm, stay peaceful. I see that someone from your past could be returning back, friends. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or a Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, friends. This person is not over you. They are trying to find a way to reach towards you. They have been waiting and waiting, or you are waiting for them. I feel it is their energy. They are waiting for you. They want to talk to you. They want things to get better between you and them and clear this misunderstanding or this breakup, or at least mend things with you. For others, I feel like you had a breakup with someone, or you may have an argument with someone in the next 48 hours. You may suddenly decide to change things, like you may decide to take a break, or like I need some space, but you still might be waiting and loving in love with this person. You are still waiting for them to make a move towards you. You are still waiting for them to message you. I feel like yes, there is going to be a chance of them messaging you, an apology or a sorry, or somehow you may have a talk with them. I feel it could, some of you are also trying to heal your heart from a breakup, or from some, maybe you had some injury, maybe you have some upset stomach or something, you are trying to heal it. So yeah, I'd see you in the next 48 hours trying to work upon yourself, trying to heal things. And someone from your past, or someone, a friend or a colleague or a lover or ex-husband of wife you had a misunderstanding with, they surely want to come back and fix things for you. They want to tell you how much they regard you, respect you, or how much they value you. This person is really missing you. I think you also miss them. It could be a twin flame, because we have the sun and moon here. It could be a twin flame for some of you. I also feel there is this age, so this is a karmic thing. Some of you are worried why this happened, why you had a conflict with a person, why this breakup, this misunderstanding happened. I think because it was destined in some way or the other. There is some lesson to both for both of you to learn. I also feel like someone, you are very strong, friends. You are very strong, and this has made you stronger, and this has made you spiritually more awakened in some way, and this has made your relationship also on a, how do I say, This is making the relationships very strong. The foundation of your relationships are being formed and being strengthened. I feel someone definitely, either you might have to pacify someone, your mother, or maybe a pet dog or something like that. Someone may get upset, or you are upset, and you want them to pamper you, nurture you, protect you, and pamper me. It's that energy. Someone wants to pamper you, or you have to pamper their ego or your own ego, because I think it's necessary right now. I also feel some of you may decide to leave a job in the next 48 hours, or you may just decide on a whim or to change your career or something. Sorry to say that, friends, because you are waiting since long, like 7 years, 7 months, or maybe since more, for your money situation or your career to improve. And some of you could be getting you may realize that this money, this success lies now elsewhere, not where you are currently. So you may just decide to, no, I am ready, I'll make this. You may not be ready, but you'll still make the change. I see a lot of relief and happiness, relief coming into your life in the next 48 hours. Relief from worries, from anxieties, from health issues. If you have a broken heart, there will be some relief or some hope coming towards you. Something you are waiting for is going to happen. Let us see what will happen in the next 48 hours. What will happen in the next 48 hours? Here and now, this card came face up. Let's take it. Number 32. What will happen in the next 48 hours? What will happen in the next 48 hours? Ooh, regeneration. This just fell out. So definitely, friends, there is a chance of a reunion, or something that was broken will be fixed, will be mended. It is an excellent time for you. Again, number 4 and 6 is here. So it is the energy of 4 is about stability, 6 is about love. So yeah, someone definitely wants to fix things with you, or you will try to fix things with them. I think in the next 48 hours, you may think too much about the future or the past, and that can make you unhappy or sad. But if you focus on the present moment, you will feel very, very happy, because there is a blessing, a relief coming in your present next 48 hours. But if you are focused on the past breakup or the past letdowns, you may miss out on the new things coming for you. Let's see your advice for the next 48 hours. I see that you are very strong, and a relationship is also very strong. So you don't need to worry so much as you are worried. Some things, what has happened or is happening right now, is because it was fated. It is a lesson. It is a spiritual or karmic lesson for you and this person, definitely. Let's see your advice for the next 48 hours. Treasure chest and unforeseen windfall of new abundance comes to you now. Interesting, friends. Absolutely. Money is coming your way, friends. Yes, money is coming your way, or something that you didn't expect is coming your way. A relief, a light in the darkness, and maybe some sort of a hope. Maybe this person will gift you, or someone else will compliment you, or some sort of a relief in money situation is coming. Some of you may leave something like a bad situation which isn't working. Or if you are fighting with husband and wife, you may take some space and focus on yourself. Friendship, make a date for a play Make a day for a play date with one or more of friends. So, absolutely, friends, new friendships are coming your way, and these friendships will bring you much more happiness. And I feel like you have a falling out with a friend or a lover or a twin flame, and they could come back or try to, or you may try to talk to them, like, are you okay? How are you? Just check on them, like, how are you doing? Or they might check on you, like, how are you doing? That ways. And sorry to say, if you hadn't had an argument, you may have an argument. So please, 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 please be patient and don't allow your anger or your emotions to lead you in the next 48 hours. Focus on here and this present moment now. So let's take one final card. One final, ooh, my goodness gracious, that was epic. Fork in the road, number 13. So, number 13, number 18, 22, 25 are important for some of you. I feel there is a change is coming for you, friends. A change is coming. Your life is changing some direction. Maybe a friendship is changing, it's growing, it's evolving, or a relationship or your career. Some, I told you, some of you could decide to just leave a career and just start, or some of you are going to start something new, and because you feel it's time, so yeah, that can happen. So the next 48 hours are important for you, friends. Be careful. That's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like this video, share, friends. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, and to join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, let's see for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful neon pink, hot pink flower. Let's see how your next 48 hours will be. Sorry friends, this is your advice cards. We're gonna look at them in the end. Let's see what will happen. Ooh, my goodness gracious, the 3 of Swords. That's not the card I want to start with. The Star. That's the card I want to start with. Yay, yay, baby. Ooh, the Moon. Wow. There's a Frank Sinatra song about the moon. I've forgotten. I don't know. Maybe it's important for some of you. Frank Sinatra song called The Moon or something like that. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. The King of Swords. Interesting. And the 5 of Pentacles. Ooh. Indecision, number 8. Wow. I feel, friends, in the next 48 hours, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel a very strong Scorpio energy. So you could be dealing with a Scorpio person in the next 48 hours. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. In the next 48 hours, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel like you're feeling currently like you're left out, I don't know why, but you feel like life is unfair, life is not going well, you feel unhappy, or maybe you just feel like, people are not being, you are not getting what you deserve or you desire, or people are rejecting you, or they are not being around you, or in some way, I don't know what is happening, but you definitely feel a little left out. Or you feel like, things are not going the right way. Some of you could be having some sort of a heartache, or maybe, you are still in the next 48 hours, you may think about a past breakup or a person you dealt with in the past, a lover, an ex-lover, husband or wife, or a twin flame who has hurted your heart, put you in a third party or something, or a relationship that didn't go as you were expecting it. You may think about this person, and I feel this is your twin flame very strongly. I think You are feeling a little confused about this person or this relationship or the direction in which it is going. Some of you could be dealing with a new person in your life, but you don't, either this person is not ready to love you, or the connection is not flowing as it is supposed to. This person keeps hurting you, or you keep hurting them. There is a block here in something that you are currently doing, a relationship, or maybe a friendship. Some of you could be feeling blocked regarding creativity, like you are trying to write a book but you can't, you are trying to study but you can't because you feel stuck, you feel non-passionate about your work, you feel unhappy, you feel like, oh no, I just don't want to study, a lack of passion, a lack of motivation. Some of you could be wanting to lose weight or something, but it's like your body, you're just not feeling for, you are not feeling for it or connected with it. But I feel in the next 48, this is the current energy. What will happen in the next 48 hours? I feel you are going to find this new hope, this new passion, this connection, this connectivity that is currently missing from your life, friends. I feel this is going to come for you, and some sort of a wish may come true for you, some sort of a desire. Your intuition will be very strong in the next 48 hours. Your creativity will be very strong. I see you, some sort of someone will communicate, or conversations will flow better in the next 48 hours. But you may still not feel very trustful of that person, because they keep hurting you, keep going in and out of your life. This Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, they could be coming back offering you something like, hey, let's talk, or hey, let's watch a movie on the weekend or something, or they might meet you. But you might not be able to trust this person because they have hurted you, and they are quite you may feel like this person is a little logical, or this person is very strong or rigid or controlling in some way. You may get a lot of emotions, I am feeling. Your creativity, your intuition will be top high in the next 48 hours. And if you are not thinking about a breakup, I definitely feel someone from your past can return back to you. Or they may come into your mind, or in your dream. You may have a dream about a past lover, a twin flame, or if you are single, you may have a dream like you are going to meet someone. I think it is a true dream if your intuition is spot high in the next 48 hours. Let's talk about career. I think some of you just are very frustrated with your career. You are very, very frustrated, or you are just not feeling very connected or happy with your career or money situation. If you are a student, you feel like no motivation to study, or you have very strict parents, so you cannot change your subject or your majors or something like that. You want to go out, you want to have fun, or maybe you want to have a new course, you want to study a new course, but someone is not letting you study it. Or you have taken a course but money is not coming in, so you feel a little frustrated. I think your money worries will resolve. Some sort of a wish come true will happen in money, regarding money. If money was, if payments were due, if your salary was not coming in, please rest assured something will happen. Your money, your payments, or some sort of a gift might come your way, which is financial gift. Or you may get an idea to make more money, or something like that, a creative hobby or something. I don't know, I have a feeling like some of you need a new phone, or you want an appliance or something, and you feel money is not there. How can I buy it? Is it the right thing to do? I think it is. It may appear for you, money will appear for you. I don't know why I feel like that. Money is coming to you out of nowhere. You may find a penny or a feather in the next 48 hours, which is universe trying to assure you, yeah, yes, you are on the right path. Money is coming your way. Indecision, number 8. So definitely, friends, you are a little confused about, moving ahead or staying where you are. I feel it's like some of you are confused about a twin flame. You feel like, or this person is indecisive about you. This person keeps coming in and out of your life, and they may contact you in the next 48 hours, and you are going to feel frustrated, friends. I'm telling you. Sorry to say, or you may feel like very emotional, very sensitive to this person. You may want to protect your heart because you feel they are very logical. You are like, oops, they are very logical. I don't want to deal with it. I'm this super sensitive baby, and I don't want to deal with it. Or they may act like this, I'm super sensitive, don't come near me. It's a strange energy. It's very exciting, it's very creative, but at the same time there is some sort of a confusion or fear in your mind in the next 48 hours. I feel some of you are also dealing with long term goals. You are confused about some long term goal or an issue, like should you get married or should you not? Will you find a partner, or should you go for abroad studies or abroad work or something like that? I think you should relax a little bit because clarity is going to come, or this some information is missing from you right now, which is stopping you from making this decision. It will come to you in the next 48 hours. Something is missing. There is a missing piece, and some information you may get it through dreams, through totems, through signs, or through a penny. You may find a penny on the ground or a feather or something like that, and it will bring you the clarity, the hope, the relief that you need. Relax, friends, relax. And let's see what will happen in the next 48 hours for option number 3. For option number 3, what will happen in the next 40? Exchange. See, exchanging gifts. Number 27. I feel 27, 29, 30, 31, and 13 is important for some of you. November and December I'm also getting. So yeah, there is going to be a mutual exchange, a flow. Some of you could be artist or creative, so you may find your creativity increasing, or similar people coming into your life. Someone may gift you something. I told you, it could be a feather, it could be like a money coming your way, payment coming your way. So something is coming, friends. You don't need to worry. Let's see your advice, cards. Let's see your advice. Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. I told you, friends, your intuition is spot on. You need nothing to worry about. And if you feel someone loves you, yes, they do. If your intuition is telling you you can't, this person is too rigid for you, or they keep this person is not giving to you, they are not exchanging things with you, it is not a balanced relationship, then you are correct, friends. Trust your intuition in the next 48 hours. Your intuition is saying right. If it says this person is good, they are good. Helpful person, someone wants to help you. Think of whom that might be and initiate contact. Yes, friends, a lot of helpful people, friends, are coming for you. So relax, friends. And I feel also that money is coming your way, or some idea which will help you to make more money, or abundance, or connect with friends. That is coming. I see some of you could be reconnecting with this person who keeps in and out of your life. Maybe a friend or a common friend will help in this relationship. So yeah, there is going to be some exchange, some talk. Let's see the final message for option number 3. What will happen in the next 48 hours? Wow, between worlds. Oh my god, friends, indecision, between worlds. Why? You don't need to be. I think you are really confused about someone. Option number, ooh, new life. See, new life is coming. See, this is what you need. You need this breakthrough. You want change, friends. You want change, and I think you are getting desperate for it. Some of you may be questioning, are you on the right path? I think yes, you are on the right path. It is just a matter of time when things will change. This new person, this new life, this new renewed connection or love will happen for you. Helpful, someone will want to help you in the next 48 hours, or you may want to help someone. I feel like you like someone and you should go ahead and exchange that or start a friendship with them. I think some of you could be getting pregnant also in the next 48 hours, so be careful if you are not ready for it, friends. Because I think it's gonna surprise you if you are not at all prepared, especially if you are not ready for it. You know what I mean. And this is definitely a twin flame coming towards you, or if you don't know your twin flame, the person who is coming towards you could be your twin flame in the next 48 hours. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share, friends. Please do subscribe our channel, like this video. It helps a lot, friends. We are working very hard, you know that. And thank you, it keeps me motivated. Your love, your support, your comments, it keeps me motivated. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.